Talk about that another time. Love you. Yeah, on the first day, what she gonna do for Big Mama for real? What's going on? Are you okay?
Yup, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up here. Let's just say 1 shot turned into 2, 2 turned into 5, 5 turned into 10, and well, you get the point. After getting blackout drunk multiple times, all I have to say to that is, I'm putting that drink down. I don't want any. I know I come on here every couple of months and talk about how I'm gonna be done with the alky, but I'm serious this time because it gets to a point to where every time you get drunk, you know, I only drink on special occasions. The last time I drank before this time was New Year's. So story time. For Valentine's Day, all of us are single. Me, Tiara, Radiance, Leah, and Amina. So we decided we're gonna be outside this Valentine's Day. Today is Valentine's Day. T, stop.
Stop what? It's my room, ninja.
Today is Valentine's Day, and we're going to the club tonight because we all single, ain't got no man. And yeah, y'all kind of wanted to wear my wig with bangs, but they told me to wear this one, so I don't know, I just feel crazy, but it's gonna be me, Titi, Ray, Amina, Jazz, and Kalia. So that's 6 people. Yeah, that's the biggest our group has ever been. Why are we getting started now? We're gonna go outside to the club, have a good time, get lit. So like I said, the last time I drank before this time was New Year. So I only drink on special occasions, you know what I'm saying? But this time just got a bit too carried away. Okay, I changed the hair to this because I didn't like that other. So I'm sorry, it's making my face look fat. But I look so kawaii, like the other hair. Oh, so she basically just said this hair was ugly as S.
She said she might take one shot.
Yay! Yay! 1 is gonna turn into 2. 2 is gonna turn into 3.
I said, don't get peer pressure now.
The plan was to go to Amina's house, pre-game a bit, get an Uber to the club, and then just have fun at the club. But baby, when I tell you, we was just doing too much, bro. Okay, guys, we're at Total Wine, and we getting that potion, getting that drink. I don't know, we'll see how tonight's gonna go. I don't really like my outfit. It's pretty plain, but yeah, it's too cold to be going out. I'll say that right now.
Oh well.
Talking about some oh well.
Why my ninja gonna just text me a little bit ago talking about some happy Valentine's Day? Oh, you sure they wait long enough? You're supposed to text that in the morning.
Yeah, I ain't fucking
Oh, you finna have to enjoy your night? That's good. You finna get sloppy drunk?
I hope not. I really hope not, y'all. Okay, we're at Amina's crib and it's so cute. Y'all already know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I look so kawaii. Y'all, I hope I don't get too drunk tonight. That's all I'm worried about. What's up, bro? You ready for tonight?
Yeah, my wig hurt.
We actually didn't record our first shot, but we already took a shot, but they finna take another one though. They're taking some stuff and brew. It's giving alcoholics.
And we about to get lit. Going to the club with all of my love. We so looking cute, and you know we expensive. Everywhere we go, everybody wanna this. And we so freaking sexy. Every time we walk in, everybody me.
What? What are you talking about?
It's so good. Every time you see me, you wanna call me in your hood.
What? Take a shot, bro.
Me and my crew wearing pink, looking so fly. Okay. Every time you see me, I be riding by in my Cadillac, windows down, looking like a snack. Yeah. I got the funyuns, and you know I'm about to. Yeah. Hey. Anyway, come on. This mother effort took off for her. She switching up her whole look. Cause y'all told me to wear my pink hair out. I said so she can match Kalia. I gotta be myself. Bro, pass me that loco. Pass me that loco.
She had 1 shot.
She said, y'all, I'm so shy. I also brought this. Kalia has one too, but I don't know how open she is with her film. It'll be fun. Thank you. I did it myself. Okay. I just took like 2 shots. Y'all, my tolerance done got so low ever since I done did that S I did. I'm telling them how my tolerance got low ever since I done did that S I done did. I took my wig. Wait, didn't I used to be a heavyweight? No. No, Beret, answer the truth. Beret, yes. Beret, answer. Yeah. Everybody ready? Are you ready for the club? I'm ready for the club. You ready for the club?
Are you ready? Are you ready for the club?
I'm so ready.
Are you ready for the club?
Show it.
We staying healthy, y'all. We on the celery shot. Amina, she's health and wellness. Follow Amina Health.
There's alcohol in here. Oh, you want a new one? Yeah.
Whoa.
It's very grassy.
Whoa.
This is like 6 shots later. I think everybody's drunk.
Yeah, I was planning to take 3, but
This is
I like
so
the
cute.
orange.
They taking Polaroid pictures.
You want to take one?
Who am I gonna take one with?
Take one with me.
You're taking one with Khalil, which is your favorite. You're taking one with me.
Take one with you.
I'm alone. I'm alone forever.
Come on, I'll get Khalil to take one
I'm
with you.
alone.
take one with you.
That's your friend though. That's
I'm your sister though.
Amina, come here. I don't like it though. It's not the same.
We have a friend, so we gotta hug.
We gotta
hug Taavi.
Cause Taavi said she don't have no friends, but I be talking about Taavi like if she wanna hang out.
She said Taavi's so cool. She's so sweet.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Ooh, that was nasty.
So at Amina's house, we're already drunk, okay? 1 shot turned into 2, 2 turned into 5, 5 turned into 10. I'm over here drinking this Loco S, whatever that is. I'm taking shots of Casamigos. I'm drinking this solely. Like, it just gets to a point to where you're consuming too much. And I already said that I was gonna take, like, my max is 5 shots. So why am I over here driving the boat after that? We get to the club. First of all, I don't even remember. I remember being in the Uber, but I don't remember getting out of it.
Where are you not married? Yeah,
You say why I'm nowhere married?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to give me one, that's what I'm asking.
Oh, we could find
We gonna find you one. I'm saying already drunk.
Wait.
Ooh, the way I can't tie it.
Okay, everybody put on their seatbelt.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Start throwing up.
She can't tell me you have to go back.
I started to feel like, you know.
I think taavi is done. Don't give it
No, I could take another shot. It's Listen, if it's Stoli, I can do it. Then I remember us being in the club. We're by the bathroom taking shots. They're trying to take a shot right here. So there's an American water bottle. I don't know. I'm drunk. I don't know. Shot. I don't know.
Yeah.
Hey.
It's nasty already. You don't got no chaser. You want some?
Ray pours this all over her. I don't know what's going on, dog. We get in there, we dancing, whatever the F, and Kalia say, you want a shot? And I remember saying no. She was like, girl, just come on. She gonna put that ass in my mouth. And I feel like after that, I don't know if I threw up, whatever the F. Like, being drunk is so dirty to me. Like, and I be coming out here every few months talking about, I'm done for real. I ain't finna be doing that. I'm for real this time, bro. I'm not getting drunk no more, bro. You said my birthday coming up, nigga. F that ass, nigga. I ain't doing that. Like, no. Y'all might just say, just know your limits, just stop when you need to stop, okay? I be thinking, obviously, I be ending up blacking out and speaking gibberish. I don't know. I'm done with that. That's very nasty and gross, and I ain't doing that ever again. Cause ninja, why am I? And then Jazz got there, and I don't even remember her coming. She got there at like 11:30 is when she pulled up. Then she had to wait in line. Then we went outside the club to go to this pizza place. I don't remember being at the pizza place.
Everybody's drunk. Jazz went to get her car. What a night to remember. Period. You got anything to say?
You know, just emotional support.
Emotional support, you know, just rubbing everybody back. You handle your liquor?
I mean, a bit, you know.
Okay.
I'm pretty coherent right now.
Period. You got to, you know, you gotta like.
Just holding somebody up, you know.
You know what I'm saying?
You feel
Like,
the
I feel like we had 2 different jackets, but one of them gone, right?
Yeah, I mean.
Maybe that's if she's going to get her car.
Yeah, it's been about 10 minutes.
I would have went with her, but I didn't realize she was leaving. Yeah, I was trying to, you know, comfort some people. Did you have a good time?
While it lasted.
It was cool for a second, but I feel like people just got too much. Oh, there's Jazz. Okay, go, let's go.
Okay. And then I don't know. I don't remember any of that. And what's nasty about getting wasted or just blackout drunk is the fact that you basically miss the whole event because you don't have any memory to anything that happened. Because I promise you, after the Uber, being in the club, I don't remember to what happened for the rest of that night. So the fact that TT is like, that was just the beginning. So I missed the whole event. Listen, with this alky, I'm not doing that no more. Obviously, I be doing too much, but girl, I'm 21. I'm young and turned. Like, just let me do me. Like, we listen and we don't judge. But yeah, what makes me so mad about it though is I was supposed to be vlogging, but after I got so drunk, I guess I just stopped pulling out my camera, which good. Because I'm the type to pull out my camera and then leave it somewhere, and then it get lost and I had to buy a new one. So good, I didn't pull the camera out no more. But I just feel like it would have been so funny to vlog going out to the club, because I don't really see vlogs of people going to the club. I might see it get ready with me of someone getting ready to go to the club, but actually being in the club, like I don't see YouTube vlogs of that. Stuff like that would have been fun to show. But oh, you want to get drunk, you want to act dumb, but y'all, something that was finna push me to the limit and make me not ever drink again for real. So I have 2 rings. Well, I have a lot of rings, but I have 2 rings and they're special to me. And the next day I wake up in my bed and I see that I only have 1 ring on, which is this one. That's cool, but where are my other ones? I always wear my rings and I wore my rings out that night. So I see that my 2 rings are missing and I'm thinking, I know I didn't take these off and just toss them somewhere, because when you drunk you be doing dumbass. So I'm like, where are my rings at? XTT said, by any chance, did I hand you my rings or did I don't know, I'm trying to make sense of it. He's talking about some, go look in my car, let me look in my bag, maybe you left it at Amina's house, all this other stuff. I'm looking at her car, I'm cleaning her car, they ain't in there. I asked Amina, can she check in her crib? She talking about some, she ain't find them. At this point, I'm finna cry. Cause I'm like, I know I didn't get too drunk to where I'm taking off my jewelry and leaving it places to where I'll never get it back. Best believe TT said that I handed her those rings and she put it in her wallet. And that's these right here. Yup, I'm telling y'all right now, if me losing my rings would have been the case, I would have never drunk again. And I would have been one of the people where it's like, I don't drink. And then they'd be like, why? Because one night I got real drunk and I lost some pieces of jewelry that meant a lot to me. It's like, I would have never drunk again. But let me see, the next time I drink will probably be maybe on my birthday, but I can't even see me doing that. Like, y'all, I'm taking a cleanse. Y'all don't understand how much of a fool I be making of myself. Like, bro, am I opposed to going out sober? No, I'm not opposed to it. That's what it's gonna be from now on. If I continue to go out with my sisters to the clubs, won't be taking any shot, and that's all right. That's okay, because obviously I be doing too much on the floor. When you get drunk, you should not be forgetting stuff. That's how you know you did too much. Like, seeing videos and I'm just like, when was I laying on the floor like this? That's okay. Like, at the end of the day, when I'm old and I'm like 60 years old or 70, because 60 not even old like that, when I'm like 70, I'm gonna be like, I used to have a time. Like, I used to have a time. Like, at the end of the day, this is funny memories, you know what I'm saying? That's one reason that I like to record and make videos, just because I like to look back on things and look back on my experiences, because I feel like who don't like doing that? Like, that's really fun. So if right now I'm in my era where I just keep throwing up all over the place and getting drunk and doing all this dumbass and crying, TT's talking about I was crying, sobbing, tears, and I kind of remember that because after the club and everything, we was at Amina's house and I was asking her, I was like, can we go home? Because one thing about me, even being drunk, one thing about me, I'm gonna, no matter how drunk I am, I'm gonna take a shower. I wanted to go home, take a shower, and get in my bed. So I was like, TT, can we go home? And like, I was like screaming and crying. I'm talking sobbing, like, and she was just like, yeah, you did too much. And I kind of remember that, but that's me, and that's my experience of Valentine's Day. If I'm single on Valentine's Day, I'm finna get lit. This is the first time I got to turn up on Valentine's Day, and it was a time was had. We are currently finna go get some ramen. On me, cause you know, I'm the sugar daddy. Finna go get some ramen. I've been wanting ramen for a really long time, so. Y'all, so these are my nails, and TT's copying me.
This is a completely different color.
Tell me that's not copying.
Book with me, y'all.
Okay, so we're getting ramen, but we gotta walk there. Oh, it's really cold.
Since you like the kind of more dry, that's probably gonna be this. This gonna be your best bet.
Okay, wait, let me see some other ones.
Okay.
They're talking about barbecue.
I didn't know it was barbecue, but.
Okay, so this gonna be the thick one?
I think, but when they say barbecue sauce, I never had this, so I can't say how it's gonna be.
I don't like barbecue stuff. What's about classic ramen? What's this?
That won't be good. It's kind of, I think it's a little spicy. I like the sliced pork one because I just like how it tastes. But this is your food, so I don't know. Want to do what I would do?
Sure. Reagan's not getting food. She just came to tag along, so.
Yeah, I should have bought a Pop-Tart.
She should have bought a Pop-Tart, she says. I don't know what TT's getting, bro. TT recommended this place, so TT, it better be good, bro. I'm not
I hope it's good.
Yeah, I should have bought
that looks good. See, how often have you eaten here? Like, how many times did you say?
I feel like I've ate here for about several times, maybe like 5.
Do you come by yourself or do you,
The last
do you
time
have a friend?
Last time I came by myself. So I came, got some ramen, some karage, got me a little soda.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
I'll say, I give it like an 8. It's solid, it's solid.
So I'm just waiting for the food to be ready. I've never ate at this place before, but I mean, Titi said it's good, so it's gonna be good.
Yeah, this is ours. Okay, thank you. Taavi, I really hope you like this food. Oh, you gotta get a fork at the front if you need a fork. Where who was just at, you gotta get a fork from there.
You don't need a fork. I do, because I got chopsticks.
She got this little shrimp.
I don't know how to use that.
I never had this before. I wonder how it tastes.
Reagan, I don't know how to use chopsticks. Titi needs chopsticks for this.
Reagan just don't want to get up and
I don't understand.
Because you're the closest on the outside.
She literally on top of
She got you a soda, dog.
Well, I don't even know where to get that from.
It's at the end of the bar. Thank you.
That's a nice bowl. I'm gonna try this. It looks really good, so let's give it a taste.
Taavi, what's wrong?
Y'all, so I didn't know that these was jalapeno. Call me dumb. I didn't know that these was jalapenos. So
Jalapenos not even at a hot
I
Taavi.
put like 3 in my mouth just by like.
Why?
And my mouth is burning. I don't know what to do.
Drink some of your burning sodas. They have free water there. I want some free water to help you.
You gonna go get that?
No, because I'm trash.
Okay, we're leaving. I was in despair eating that, so I don't want to lead the way. Okay, we're walking to whatever this cookie place. A Samia cookie. I don't know. Everybody's like going to the club that's walking around, but like it's like a Sunday night. Like, why'd you go to the club on a Sunday night? Like, it's Friday and it's Friday and that's it. All this other stuff, they can keep that. Titi, why are you taking us around town? Might as well. Is this tourist the car? I don't remember. No. Oh, she's being scary, bro.
We're almost there, guys. That's just a regular store.
Oh, look, very pretty in this lighting. Oh, so cute. This is how it would be if we lived in New York walking on the city.
Hey, they got
Ew,
treats.
it smells like
I'm about to get beignets, y'all, so.
She gave us extra cookies for free. Hey y'all, so we're finna get trafficked. It seems like this lady is talking about she do tarot readings and come back to her office tonight. And it seems like this ninja behind us. She's supposed to come right now. It's just giving, like, is it not giving traffic?
Yeah, it's giving y'all making my nerves bad.
It's giving, I'm not coming here no more.
I guess I wasn't planning on going there anyway. But Taavi all excited to some Titi. She do readings. I said, girl, you wanna read it? No.
She always wants to be. I can do it right now.
Yeah, that's what I was like. Are we supposed to pay you right now? Or you gonna give us a little taste of what you?
This tarot reading lady randomly, we took to get beignets. We went to get beignets, and this tarot lady.
We ain't even looking sexy, dog.
Everybody's doing this.
Maybe because I have a camera out.
Man, you need a strap for that mother for walking down here.
This tarot lady came up to us in the beignet place, and she like just wait to press my food. Your guys' energy if you want. I can give you a reading tonight. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, lady, please.
Like, she kept saying, just come tonight. Just come by tonight. Just come by tonight.
I mean, y'all not doing it.
I'm like, and it's just giving very pushy. Like, I'm scared.
Here's the cinnamon beignets I got. Churro beignets. Them things look too good.
You already ate the.
You already ate the flour one. Or the powdered sugar one. It was really good.
Baby.
It was.
I'm just kidding. Oh my god.
The F?